Hello everyone, it's October the 4th. Alright, we've been failing 2 days in a row. Let's not continue that. Oh no! I think I have this one highlighted as difficult probably. Yep, I highlighted this as nightmare. I saw this, I done this before, but I highlighted as nightmare. Let's see if we can change it today. Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. Okay. N by N rectangular islands that borders both the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean touches the island's left and top edges. The Atlantic Ocean touches the island's right and bottom edge. The island is partitioned into a grid of square cells. You're given N by N integer matrix heights, where height RC represents the height above sea level of the cell. Oh, yeah, I think it's a similar problem. And this probably is one of my weakest. You remember the problem of holding rainwater? That type of problem is my weakness. The island receives a lot of rain. You see, we're going to trap in rainwater again. And the rainwater can flow. Oh, it's not trapping rainwater. It's rainwater flow to neighboring cells directly north, south, east, and west if the neighboring cell's height is less than or equal to the current cell's height. Water can flow from any cell adjacent to an ocean into the ocean. Return a 2D list of grid coordinates result, where results denotes...
I was trying to cover up feeling pee in the bag.
Yeah, she smelled it. Denotes that rainwater can flow from cell to both the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. So we need to find cells that has a path. Okay. I have an idea actually. Let's just brainstorm it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the ideal is if we go from the edges, because we know the edges can definitely flow, right? So we go from the edges where we know it definitely can flow. You see, I'm like poetry now. Alright, so these are the edges. Edges can definitely flow. So, but hold a second. Why these are not marked? Oh, to both. Oh, to both. Oh, okay. So basically, we're gonna start from the, let's say, Pacific Ocean side. So we start on this side, okay? And then BFS. Right, with BFS, and we just go equal or higher, right? So from 1, I'll go to 2 and 3, but they've already been occupied, so there's nothing. Oh, but hold a second. You are saying if I can reach, right, all the cells that I can reach from this edge, right, we all mark it with something. We'll mark it with something. What do we mark it? Like -1. Right? Everything I can reach will mark with -1. So 1, so 2 can go here. Right? This is 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 7, 1, 4. So yeah, if we go from 1, yeah, it will reach these. So basically from 2, yeah, this can reach, this can reach, this can reach, and 5 actually cannot reach anybody, but 5, so all of these can reach, right? All of these can reach, and then yeah, this can reach, this cannot reach. So from 2 cannot reach those, but 3 can reach 5. 4 can reach 5. 4 that can reach here. It cannot reach 5. That's it. Now we're gonna go from this reaching the other side. So again, 2 marks. So this can reach, right? And then 4 can reach this. So yeah, this one I got 2, this one I got 2, this one I got 2. 1 can reach here. 5 cannot reach, 4 cannot reach, 2 cannot reach, 1 can reach, 1 can reach, so this one can reach, 1 can reach, this one can reach as well. And then from 3 can reach, so this one can reach, 4 cannot reach, 4 cannot reach. So this is the answer. Huh. 6. How do you Oh, 5 can reach 6. 5 can reach 6. Yes, 5 can reach 6. Yep. I don't know why it was nightmare last time. It looks pretty simple to me this time. Just 2 rounds of BFS and then we're good to go. Okay, does that mean I am improving? Oh, thank you very much. This one will go to the birthday card. Always cheer me up. My best cheerleader. Cheerleader. She's always right there when I need her. Wow, this song is amazing. The lyrics. I just realized. 2 rounds of cheerleading. No, not cheerleading. 2 rounds of BFS. From the Pacific side, from the top and the left, and from the right, the bottom and right. Okay, so what are we doing here? We need to mark the cell that we have visited before. In the round from top and left, we will mark we will go each round we go from the edge inwards, moving only towards the cells that are equal or higher than the previous cell. In the round from top, we will mark the cell as -1, right, as visited. In this round from bottom and right, we will mark it as -2.
What?
-2. That actually not gonna work. Yeah, how are you gonna mark it? How are you going to mark it? So the first one you mark -1, and second time you will do -1 again. So your check, right? Yeah, we'll do -1 again. So you will check if it's not -2. Yeah, if it's not -2, that means you haven't visited it yet. If it is, that you have. And yeah, mark it. We will mark it as -1 as well. We will not mark it. We will mark it as -1 if the cell has never been visited by either round, or -2 if the cell has been visited in the first round. And the answers are the cells marked by -2. Okie dokie, how are we going to do this? So we will do heights, dot size. This is a heights 0 dot size. Okay. What next? So we have heights, and then we need let's do coordinates. So using coord equal to std pair int. So now what? Now what we need is a deck of coord q. Okay, and then we say from top and left. Okay, from top and left, so we're gonna do for int I equal to 0. Actually no, top is j equal to 0, j smaller than n, j plus plus. And what we do is q dot pushback holy guacamole, I need a height as well. Oh shoot, I need a height. If I change it, how do I know the height? Alright, change my mind. We need another, we will use another auxiliary. We will use an auxiliary list to keep track of the number of times a cell has been visited. So std, this can be vector of int of visited count. Visited. Size is going to be n times n. Okay. Alright, so we're going to push back 0j. And then visited j equal to 1. Right, those are visited ones. And then for int I equal to 1, I smaller than m, I plus plus, q dot push back I 0 visited I times n, right? Yeah. I times n equal to 1. Alright, then we'll say while. Oh, one more thing, direction. Vector of coord, DIRs. 0, 1. We start with 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1. So while q dot empty is not. Okay, we say const auto element equal to q dot top and then q dot pop. So int I equal to element dot first. My bad, it's not top, the front. Top front. Okay, so we have I and J coming out, and then for const auto didj. Oof. I cannot do this. Const auto. Yeah, I can. DIRs. J plus DJ. I'm gonna type I again. If ni larger equal to 0. Actually, I like the other way. NJ. NJ smaller n. And visited ni times n plus nj is the first round, so it has to be equal to 0, which means it has not been visited before, right? That means it has not been visited before. And then what we will do is we'll got q dot pushback ni and j, and then visited ni times n plus nj equal to 1, right? We set it to 1. Nope, that's actually not right. There's one more thing. And heights ni and j larger equal to heights ij. There we go. And then we'll go next and blah blah blah. So when we finish. Okay, that's that. Next, from right and bottom. So this will keep going until q is empty. So q naught is empty. So we say for int j equal to 0, j smaller than n, j plus plus. Okay, q dot pushback m minus 1 j visited m minus 1 times n plus j plus equal 1, just plus plus. Right, plus plus. Then for int I equal to 0, I smaller than m minus 1, I plus plus, q dot pushback I n minus 1 visited I times n plus n minus 1 plus plus. Well, Q dot empty, Q is not empty. If I want to, I feel like this one can be. It's almost the same. Right? This is actually the same. We can say auto BFS go to, or take this and yeah, we don't really do anything. So Q coming in, we do this, blah, blah, blah. All we do is, this can be plus plus, okay. Now here, visited, if it's equal to 0, we definitely. If it's 1. In the second round, right? In the second round, if it's 1, we can still visit it. So in the second round, it's not equal to 2, right? It's not equal to 2. First one is not equal to 1, so I do have to push this as a int it's like a mark, visited mark, right? So we say it's not equal to visited mark. Or we can just say smaller than visited mark. Right, and then here I can just simply call it BFS is 1. Here is the same, call it BFS 2. Right, and then get answers. Right, by finding the coordinates with 2 counts in the visited array. Res. That's not right. Visited K. I think rest are pushed back. I feel like that shall do. Give it a shot. Was not right. Three, 2. This one. How? I don't understand. Oh, I think I know why. This is, need to set it as, hold on. Those are also visited, right? Shoot. Oh. So if you're not visited, you should visit it. If you have been visited before, then you shall visit it. So if it's a 1, then you shall do. If it's a 0, you shall do. But if it's a 2, you shall not do. But when we first push them in, we get everybody to be 1. So 1, then you have confusion, right? You have confusion. So the best way to do in this case is we'll have 2, or just waste some visited. I'm pretty sure there's a way, but I'll just do a visited top left. Okay, we'll do another one. Visited bottom right. BR, bottom right, top left, bottom right. Okay. So instead of doing this, we say const, not const, is just so we'll take a reference, visited. And then we'll say visited, this is not equal to 0. Equal to 0, right? If it's equal to 0, then we do it. So here is visited top left. This is also visited top left. And then we'll say visited top left. This is visited bottom right. And plus plus, yeah, it's fine. Visited bottom right. And then this is going to be visited bottom right. So I did this. If visited top left, plus visited bottom right is equal to 2, which means both has to be 1. Then, okay, so let's try this one. We'll waste some space, but hopefully this one can get it right. Yeah. Alright. Drum roll, please. What the hell? What? Probably related to this. Yep. Because I need an actual copy of this. There we go. Better than last time, for sure. (2022) was the last time. Did I not solve it last time? No, I think I did. I think I did last time as well. But after 2/30th. Yeah, I forgot how I did it. Yep, that's exactly what it says. I don't have DFS. Do this. Yep, that's essentially what we are trying to do here. 2021 is the first time we do this. That was a long time ago. Long time ago. This is a good problem. Maybe I can remove it from Nightmare. I think it's pretty straightforward now. I don't think there's a Nightmare anymore. We got it at basic on the first shot. Okay, that'll be it. Good job. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.